Okay, I'm at the Zhongshan area. Very busy, very popular area. I'm at a coffee shop right now. For those of you that are always asking me what the fashion is like, what's the fashion like? What are they dressed like? Nah, 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 nah. I am hereby giving you a display of what the fashion is like out here. I hope that this shows up properly. No idea if it will or not, but now you can see how the people dress out here. Okay. It's a very busy area. They're getting ready for Christmas. Merry Christmas, McDonald's. That's McDonald's across the street. The body shop. People wear masks here a lot more frequently. Like if you have a cold, they encourage you to wear masks because so many people take public transportation. There are the scooters. From here on out, I'm always going to be pointing out the scooters. There it is. Taipei, Taiwan, 2013, December.